For this craft, you'll need a macrame hoop, yarn, about 2 yards of cotton twine, and a spooky spider charm. You'll also need scissors, and a yarn needle can be very helpful. To start your dream catcher, grab your yarn and tie a double knot around the hoop. Take your spool of yarn and wrap it around the hoop until it's completely covered. Secure it with a knot when you reach the end. Next, grab your twine, thread one end through the needle, and tie the other end around the hoop. Make sure it's nice and tight, because from here we'll start to make the crescent moon. Lay your thread over the hoop, creating that little gap. Bring your needle around the hoop and through that opening. Adjust your loop so it's about 1.5 inches away from your last knot. Pull tight and hold that loop to keep the tension while you continue around the hoop. Make sure to keep roughly the same distance between each loop. Stop short of going all the way around, because this will give us our crescent moon shape. When you finish your first row of knots, keep the tension on that last one and flip your hoop. Make sure to grab your thread from the inside of the hoop. You don't want it going around the outside. Start your second row using the same sort of knot, just under, over, and through. Adjust the loop in the center of the gap. Make sure to maintain good tension as you continue around the hoop. Once again, when you hit the end, hold that knot, flip the hoop, and continue the pattern. For the last row, we'll do the same hold and flip, but we'll skip the first opening and continue the pattern on through the second hole. When you get to the end, go through the last opening, and instead of pulling it super tight, just tie a knot to secure it. Adjust it to get the shape that you want, and thread on your spider charm. Secure it with a double knot and trim any loose threads. To make the hanger, take the trimmed off piece of twine, tie the ends together at the desired length and trim. Attach it to the hoop with a simple lark's head knot, and you're ready to display your new witchy decor. Bye-bye!